Hi guys, here 6 plus 18 is 24 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 24 divided by 3 is 8 times 2 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 8 times 2 plus 1 is 3 square. Here 8 times 3 square is 9. Here 8 times 9 is 72 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 72 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 6 plus 18 divided by 3 times, a bracket is 2 plus 1 is 3 square. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 3 square. We have to do this 3 square before this operation. So 6 plus 18 divided by 3 times 3 square is 9. Here we have the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 18 divided by 3. We have to do this 18 divided by 3 before this addition and multiplication. So 6 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 9. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 6 plus 6 times 9 is 54. Here we have 6 plus 54 is 60 is the correct answer.